Okay, students, in this video we move to our next question. That's question number 10. If you see question number 10, CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of triangle ACB and EFG such that D and H lies on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that. So here you have to prove this. So let us examine these three things. So now what we have to prove, that we have to show firstly CD by GH. So these are in fact we just draw these two triangles. So first we draw the triangle ABC, this one, and second triangle is of course EF and G. So CD and GH. So this is CD and this is GH. They are the bisectors of angle ACB. So this is your angle ACB, and EGF. This is EG and F. So these are two angles, and CD, this CD and GH, they are the bisectors as shown here. So D and H lie on sides AB and FE. So D and H, they lie on the opposite side. So these two sides are there, then opposite comes this one, that is EF and AB. So what you have to prove here is that CD by GH, so this is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So this first thing we have to prove. Second thing we have to prove is that triangle DCB. So this is triangle DCB. Here it is. This is DCB. Is similar to HGE. HGE. Here this is HG and E. This triangle. This is the HGE. And triangle DCA. So these DCA is opposite this side. This triangle is DCA. This is DCA is equal to HGF. HGF. So these things. So first we have to prove this is equal to, similar to this, not equal. This is similar to this, and secondly this is similar to this. So let's start now. How you can do it? Quite simple. Otherwise, now what is given to us is over here. Given to us is CD and GH are the bisectors of triangle of angles. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar to here EFG. So these two triangles are similar given to us. So first thing we start with, first we have to prove that CD by GH is equal to AC by GF. So we take these two triangles ABC and FEG. So we take ABC, this is the triangle we take, and FEG. So this is the triangle we take. In this triangle, angle A is equal to F, angle B is equal to E, angle C is equal to G. Why we say so? Because it is given here. Because if these two triangles are similar, then all the three angles, they got to be similar. So all the three angles means 1, 2 and 3. All these three angles got to be similar. So we move ahead. Now this is C. This angle is C, and this angle is G. So when we take bisector, this is bisector. So if we take half of this C, it becomes, let's see, we take half of C. I just clear it for your convenience. So this is half of C. So when we take half of C here, so this half is going to divide into two parts. Similarly, what we find here, that this GH is going to divide these into two equal parts. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, or half of C is equal to 1, half of C is equal to 1, or half of G is equal to 2 or 4 whatsoever. So simple thing, because in this corollary we can say angle 1 is equal to 2, because all these are 4 are equal now. So angle 1 is equal to 2 and angle 3 is equal to 4. So this thing we proved here. So once you prove this thing, then hardly anything left in this question, because now we start with our question proper. We take now second part, that in DCA and HGF, DCA. So this is DC and A, this is DCA, and this is HGF, this is HGF. Angle A is equal to F, given because two triangles were similar. Angle 1 is equal to 2, this angle just proved. It means this has to be automatically proved. So we meet this AAA similarity criterion. So here we find that these two triangles are similar. Similarly, we can also prove that these two triangles are also similar. For this purpose, though it's same, but then again I just give you some hint. Angle. So when we take the second triangle here, let me just change the shade. So we take now the second one. When I say second one, we'll take this triangle. I'll just change the color. So we take this triangle and also this one. So in this case, 3 is equal to 4 and B is equal to C, correction E. So again it meets the criterion. So therefore these two triangles are also same. Hence all the three are proved. So you can note down all this for your exam purpose. Then we move to our next question, question 11. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle. Now isosceles, as you are aware of, is a triangle in which opposite sides are equal. So when it says that ABC is isosceles triangle, it means side AB is equal to side AC. And also the opposite angles are also same. It means angle B is equal to angle C. Anyhow, let's see the question. With AB is equal to AC, this is AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular on BC, AD is perpendicular on BC, so naturally this angle got to be 90 degree each. And EF is perpendicular on AC, EF is perpendicular on AC, again angle is 90. Prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF, EC and F. So let's start here. So now students, we start here. Now in this case what we find, AB is equal to AC and angle D is equal to angle F. So it is given to us, and then what we have to prove here is that angle triangle ABD, this triangle ABD and ECF are similar. So we have to prove that ABD and CEF so this is the one, they are similar. So when we take triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, these two opposite sides. So when they are same, they are given, it is given. So therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So these two angles, opposite angles, they become same. So because opposite sides are equal, so angles are also equal. So now in triangle ABD and ECF, so we take these two triangles which we have to prove rather. Angle 1 is equal to 2, we have just proved. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle D is equal to angle F. This is F 90 degree and this is D 90 degree. So these two angles are proved. So again we meet this criteria of AA similarity criterion. Therefore these two triangles got to be similar. So you can note down. So this is as you are aware of given, and this is you have to prove, and this comes as a proof here. So please note down carefully for your exam purpose. We move to question number 12. Now two triangles are given here. Sides AB and BC, AB and BC, and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and QR and median PM. It means they are in the same ratio. So ratio of AB and PQ is equal to AC and P over by PR and AD by PM. So because they are proportional. Show that triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So this you have to prove in this question. So let's start. So now let us start, students. Now as we have seen in the conditions that AB is proportional to PQ and AC is proportional to PR and AD is proportional to PM. So that is why, so we can simply write, because of proportionality, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and AD by PM. So these three things. Now what you have to prove is that these two triangles are, you have to prove here, to prove triangle ABC, this is ABC, is similar to PQR here. So this is given to us as we find here. Now AB, this is AB divided by PQ. So AB by PQ is equal to, as given here, BC by QR. But this BC, this is BC, and AD median divides BC into two parts, equal parts. Similarly, PM also divides QR. This QM and M are two equal parts. So in place of BC, we can write twice BD. Similarly, in place of QR, we can write double of QM. So we find it here. And then third condition we bring it as such, which is given. So AB by PQ is equal to double of BD and double of QM is equal to AD by PM. Proportionality criterion is met here. So now AB by PQ is equal to, so this 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So what remains? What we get? BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to PQM here. So this is SSS similarity. So angle B, this, because these two triangles are same now, similarity. So angle B is equal to Q because they are corresponding similar angles. So now we go for triangle ABC and PQR. This is ABC and PQR. In this, angle B is equal to angle Q. Just proved, because we have proved these two triangles are similar. So naturally angle B is equal to angle Q. So just proved. And also what is given to us? AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. It is given to us. So it also meets our SAS similarity criterion. So triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR here. So this is how you can note down all things for your exam purpose. All the best then. Bye. We finish this session.